Arrive in style with this Nissan 2017 Titan SV. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, Nissan Connect with Sirius XM and mobile apps, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.